Vikarabad, located in Telangana, India, is renowned for its lush forests, ancient temples, and scenic landscapes, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts and spiritual seekers. Anantagiri Hills and Forests. Anantagiri Hills, situated approximately 5 kilometers from Vikarabad, is one of the densest forests in Telangana. It serves as the origin of the Musi River, which flows through Hyderabad. The area is rich in ancient caves and medieval fort structures, reflecting its historical significance. The hills are enveloped in verdant greenery, offering trekking trails suitable for both beginners and seasoned hikers. The serene environment and panoramic views make it a favored spot for weekend getaways from Hyderabad. Medicinal Plants Conservation Area. The Medicinal Plants Conservation Area, MPCA, in Vikarabad is a significant effort toward preserving the region's unique flora. The forest is known for its diverse range of native medicinal plants used in traditional medicine. Common species include ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, neem, Azadirachta indica, tulsi, Ocimum sanctum, and amla, Phyllanthus emblica. These plants are used for various ailments, ranging from digestive disorders to skin treatments and respiratory problems. Eco-education. The area serves as an educational site for students, researchers, and visitors interested in learning about ethnobotany and sustainable plant use. Location. The conservation area is usually within the Anantagiri forest belt, offering a serene environment for exploration. Birdwatching areas. Vikarabad's forests and water bodies create a haven for birdwatchers. The region supports a variety of bird species, both resident and migratory. The dense forests and open meadows attract birds like Indian pitta, paradise flycatchers, kingfishers, and drongos. It's also a crucial habitat for raptors, including the crested serpent eagle. Damagundam Ramalingeshwara Swamy Temple. Deep within the forests of Vikarabad, about 10 kilometers from the city center, lies the ancient Damagundam Ramalingeshwara Swamy Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple's secluded location amidst dense forests offers a peaceful retreat for devotees and visitors seeking tranquility. The prefix Buga refers to the natural spring or water source, referred to as Buga in Telugu, that flows beneath the Shiva Lingam, making it a unique and sacred feature of the temple. Architectural style. The temple exhibits a blend of ancient South Indian architecture with beautifully carved pillars and intricate sculptures. The Sanctum Sanctorum houses the Shiva Lingam, perpetually bathed by the natural spring water, symbolizing purity and divinity. One of the most distinctive aspects of the temple is the perennial spring that flows beneath the lingam, believed to originate from an underground source. This natural spring is considered holy, and devotees believe its water has healing and purifying properties. The temple comes alive during Mahashivaratri, attracting thousands of devotees who perform special prayers and rituals. Kartika Masam. The temple is also a prominent site during the Kartika Masam, with lamps lit around the premises creating a divine atmosphere. Daily pujas and abhishekams, ritual bathing of the lingam, are performed with great devotion. Sri Ananthapadmanabha Swamy Temple. Nestled within the Anantagiri hills is the ancient Sri Ananthapadmanabha Swamy Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. According to Skanda Purana, it is believed that the temple was constructed by the Rishi Markandeya in the Dwapara Yuga. The temple's serene ambiance, combined with the surrounding natural beauty, attracts devotees and tourists alike. The Ananthapadmanabha Swamy Temple, located in the scenic Anantagiri hills of Vikarabad district, Telangana, is an ancient temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his reclining posture as Ananthapadmanabha Swamy. It is one of the prominent spiritual and tourist destinations in the region. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, who is depicted reclining on the serpent Adisesha, the celestial snake. The name Anantha symbolizes infinity, and Padmanabha refers to the lotus emerging from Lord Vishnu's navel. The temple reflects traditional South Indian temple architecture, with intricately carved pillars, a sanctum sanctorum, Garbhagriha, and a towering gopuram, temple tower. The idols and sculptures inside the temple depict scenes from Hindu mythology. Festivals and rituals. Annual Brahmotsavam. A grand annual festival is celebrated with traditional rituals, cultural performances, and processions. Vaikunta Ekadashi. This auspicious day is celebrated with special prayers and decorations, drawing a large number of devotees. Daily pujas, regular pujas, ritual worship, and abhishekam, ritual bathing of the deity, are conducted with devotion. The temple is about 75 kilometers from Hyderabad and easily accessible by road. Best time to visit the monsoon, June to September, and winter, November to February. The Ananthapadmanabha Swamy Temple is a blend of spirituality and natural beauty. Kotpalli Reservoir. The water body and surrounding wetlands are frequented by waterfowl such as herons, egrets, storks, and ducks. Best season. The best time for birdwatching is during the winter months, November to February, when migratory birds visit the region. Tips for birdwatchers. Bring binoculars and a camera with a telephoto lens. Why visit? The conservation area and birdwatching spots in Vikarabad offer a combination of ecological learning and natural beauty. Visitors can enjoy the therapeutic atmosphere, explore the wilderness, and witness the harmonious coexistence of flora and fauna. Vikarabad, known for its diverse landscapes, includes pockets of grasslands interspersed within its forested and hilly terrains. These grasslands play a crucial role in the local ecology and serve as habitats for various flora and fauna. Grasslands in Vikarabad are typically found in open patches within the Anantagiri hills and surrounding regions. These areas are characterized by dry grass species, occasional shrubs, and scattered trees. The soil is often lateritic or rocky, supporting hardy grass species adapted to the local climate. Biodiversity, hotspot grasslands support a unique ecosystem, hosting small mammals, reptiles, insects, and birds. Avian habitat ground-nesting birds like quails, lapwings, and larks are commonly found in these areas. Forage and shelter. The grasslands provide grazing grounds for herbivores and shelter for smaller predators. Best time to visit. The monsoon, June to September, transforms these grasslands, making them lush and vibrant. During this time, they also become hotspots for observing migratory birds and blooming wildflowers. Photography. The scenic beauty of grasslands, especially during the monsoon, offers excellent opportunities for nature photography. Efforts to conserve and study the grasslands in Vikarabad are crucial to maintaining the region's ecological health and biodiversity. Kotpalli Reservoir. Approximately 20 kilometers from Anantagiri Hills lies the Kotpalli Reservoir, also known as Nagasamudram Lake. This reservoir is a popular spot for picnics and boating, especially during the monsoon season when the water levels are at their peak. The tranquil waters, set against the backdrop of lush greenery, provide a perfect setting for relaxation and photography. Coming to adventure activities. Vikarabad's diverse terrain makes it an ideal destination for adventure enthusiasts. The red soil and rocky landscapes are perfect for activities like rappelling and rock climbing. The forested areas offer multiple trekking trails, with two prominent ones starting from the Ananthapadmanabha Swamy temple, and another about 0.5 kilometers from the temple towards Kareli. These trails provide opportunities to explore the rich flora and fauna of the region. In summary, Vikarabad offers a harmonious blend of natural beauty, spiritual sights, and adventure activities, making it a compelling destination for travelers seeking diverse experiences.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.